Oh, another good day at the yard. I come down here to look for stuff to make a waste oil burner. Wonder if you just pump it straight into a bloody gas heater and see what that does. That'd be interesting. I need a hydraulic pump. I've got a good one on the shelf, like a new one, but that's too new. That's an expensive item. Might have another old one there in storage somewhere. That's another 900. 920. I've got another hydraulic pump somewhere, but it's a 3-chamber one. It's got 3 inlets and 3 outlets. And again, it's a fairly new pump. But something will show up. That's a dinosaur. Nothing. A welding bench. Dishwasher pumps are no good. Yeah, I've got the 2-inch pipe and the other shit for it. I just got to make a high pressure oil injection jet and a high pressure air jet to atomise the oil. It's a Huffy. It's a good bike. Rusted solid though. Some kid would probably kill you to get one of those one day. Back in high school it was always mongoose or Huffy. And they were routinely getting pinched. Dead washer. Electronic shit. Yeah, this is where I found my blowtorch. Down in there. It's an old lead melter. It's obviously cracked or leaked somewhere. The other thing I was thinking was a gas central heater which already has combustion tubes and an air handler blower in it. But I've just got to dig one out of the pile. There's a nice old wood heater. That's the front for it. Warme. Very old. Front windows, mica sheet. Baffle plate in there. Warme Australia. No, registered in Australia, New Zealand, France. Doesn't say when it was made. No, maker's St Kilda. Fuck, it's old. That's really old. Well, that was a good day at the yard. Still got a ton of red gold to sort out. By red gold I mean this stuff. It's the equivalent of black gold or real gold. Well, not real gold, but it's quite valuable, so that's my kind of gold, the red stuff. Also picked up an old microwave. Apparently it's faulty, but it's a convection one, so it's probably worth looking at. Well made, real stainless steel. Heavy as hell. Probably one of the first convection microwaves. And a brand new condensing coil. The Heatcraft one. Just came in with some air conditioner pipe scrap. One of the technicians dropped it off. So there's nothing wrong with it. It's just old stock, they don't use them anymore. Little bead desiccant thing. Liquid out the capillary tube. Ready to be soldered in. So that's a nice score. I think that cost me the whole part of $4. That whole thing. Oh yeah, another blower. A Braemar EcoStar heater. This one here I'll probably turn into a combustion blower for this thing. Or maybe just do a motor burnout. See how long the motor lasts. We get tons of those heaters at the scrapyard, or not so much Braemars, but just generic gas central heaters. So it wouldn't hurt if I blow up a blower or two. And yeah, I trimmed all the plants the other day, so this thing's just full of rubbish. Time to get the trailer in here and do a bit of work on it. Now, doesn't that piss you off? You spend close to $600 on a really well-made trailer, and they don't even prime the bloody sheet metal. They've just blown a coat of this hammer tone over bare sheet metal, raw steel. And as a result, it's already pitting with rust. I mean, I had some oil-soaked carpet in the back here, which has protected all this area. Like compressor oil just keeps leaking onto it and staying there. But wherever there isn't any oil, it's just rusted up along here. So I'm going to try and rub it back a bit and get some etch primer onto it. Everything else is okay, although I can hear water surging back and forth inside these rails as well. So I'm going to drill drain holes at each end and drain the water out. But apart from that, everything's fine. I think I must have bought this only a year ago, at the most, I suppose. Yeah, just got to drill these rails because water's getting in there, but it's not getting out. I don't know how it's getting in there. Maybe wicking down in there where it's not welded. But she'll clean up. That's what it's supposed to be like, it's just bare steel. Well, that's to do for a drain at the moment. One in each row. Let's just see how much water's in here. Yeah, there we go. Both sides. Not a huge amount, but it's enough to rust them out over time. I drill 2 holes at the back so that depending on which angle the trail is sitting, the water will run out either way. It's like built-in redundancy. They want them to rust out so that you go and buy a new one. And not here. I just wash this down with terps to get the oil off, and I'll give it another wash and then start scraping. And I think I used some rust converter. I was thinking of filling this up and turning it into an electrolysis tank, but the silicon sealant around here is all coming off, so I don't think it'll hold water very well. Yeah. Also got some drain holes at the far end. That way I can leave it laying down like that, and you don't end up with about 50 litres of water in here. That's the problem. I leave it sitting like this without a stand under it, and the damn thing just fills up. I really got to get a jockey wheel though. I paid for one when I bought the trailer, but they never delivered the damn thing. And I lost contact with the supplier, so yeah, I'll cut my losses and just put another one on it. I've got a second handy sitting there, I just need a clamp bracket. That's all it's missing. Well, reasonably clean now, nicely washed. Just short on prep sole at the moment, so I want to do this properly. Same with etch primer. I don't have enough etch primer to do the whole lot, so I'm just going to get some paint stripper first and just go from there. For now I can dry overnight. I've got other things to worry about at the moment.